Want to conjugate Spanish verbs? You do? Easily without flapping around? Well, that's great, because you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conjugate ser in 3 different tenses using Spanishdict. This is the Spanishdict app. You type in ser, S-E-R, and you wait a minute and you click on conjugation and you let the magic begin. The present tense.
Soy, eres, es, somos,
Sois,
son. Soy, eres, es, somos,
sois,
son.
Fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos,
fuisteis,
fueron. Fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos,
fuisteis,
fueron.
And now let's wrap it up with the imperfect tense.
Era,
Eras,
era, éramos,
erais,
eran,
era,
era,
era, éramos.
erais.
eran.
Amigos míos, I hope you found that useful. Bit of a whiz through how to use Spanishdict.com. Well worth having a look at if you're having problems actually conjugating verbs. What would be interesting for me is if you'd like to put on the comments below whether you would be using Spanishdict.com or you have other tools and other things that you use on the internet or other things to actually help you conjugate Spanish verbs, because it's a key part of learning the Spanish language. Hope you found that useful. Hasta pronto, amigos míos. Now, if you did find that useful, why don't you give it a thumbs up? And can I perhaps be cheeky and ask, why don't you actually subscribe to the channel? Muchas gracias, amigos míos.